banana protein waffles. So this recipe is quite simple. All you need is 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, a cup of milk of your choice. I'm going to be using almond milk today. I've got the banana protein powder. I'll be using 1 scoop of that, 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of bicarb soda, and 1 cup of flour of your choice. So to make this recipe, first we need to mix our milk and our protein together. So I'm going to do that in my shaker. And then we're going to mash our bananas until they're nice and creamy, and then pop the rest of the ingredients in, mix it together until it creates a nice smooth batter. And then I've got my waffle maker here, which I'm just going to grease with butter, and then I'm going to cook each side for roughly 2 minutes on high.